Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about Christopher Linton, aka Dogpaw. By now, you'd have probably heard that in pick-up rounds, right? He was injured in an attack. Him there on corner, he didn't go already, gambling spot. Man, they there chill out. Everything cool, everything nice. Here comes some rival 87s. Now, as you know already, 87s have a very poor efficiency rate. So even though them turn up, fire them bag of shots, Dogpaw pick up around, but he's, let's just say, don't bother start planning the funeral. He'll be alright. Here's the thing. Dogpaw, I get to wonder if we need to change his name to Catpaw. Because this man have 9 lives. Or maybe even the eel, because he's so slippery. It seems like the justice system can't get out Dogpaw. The streets can't get out Dogpaw. I mean, the man come like one character in one game, where every time you think say you get him out, you look to see him respawn again. The whole thing left here say that Dogpaw gone to church, gone to Deacon Paw. That's the only thing left here. But as I said in the video, when him first get Lego, he's probably safer behind bars than in the streets. Because in the streets, his enemies them can get to him. And speaking about enemies, remember when I spoke to the president and I mentioned enemies, she said which enemies? Well, see the enemies them here. See the enemies them here. And they mean business too. Not only that, remember the PR campaign, even when his mother come out and she said she worry about police, I gonna do this and police. No, worry about police. 87 what you need to worry about. Because PR campaign and work on 87. 87 now no Indicom. And it is clear said the man never score for settle with Dogpaw. So not only is it a dangerous time for him, but the people around him. Because just like this, him could have the ends out and him chill out and him say him not link the bridge and him upon the corner. Enemies them pull up. Even if them not intend to, you know it got ready for them shooting. You see, Dogpaw come from an era when your name could get you by. One time for you make your name in the streets, nobody no really look for test you like that. Nowadays, these 87s could care less whether you want to be lion paw, whether you want to be tiger paw, you could even be elephant paw. Them no business. They might bring it to anybody. That's why you notice the concept of the long time 87 who was just untouchable don't really exist anymore. A matter of fact, man we did want to test you years ago. Now, he realized that the structure and the whole layout of the Jamaican street scene changed. The man that has to score now. So you don't even know if it's a man where yarn him in a things last week or a man who yarn him in a things in 2005. Spooky times. The idea that the police were going to be the one who run up and down and go look for Dogpaw with him up was complete nonsense from day one. That is way too obvious. And the police them already know say if they make Dogpaw a big tour hurt him, they have to go deal with the president, who would surely go pitch tent down at Indicom office. Right? So, as you can imagine, the whole area tense. Because now that this happened, you know say people are braced for something go happen back. But by now the residents them at Tavern Drive and Barrett Lane and them place them already understand how the game go. People know say anytime them something like this happen, time to lay low. Right? Time for nobody linger up on the streets. If you used to in a bar, if you used to dip on corner shop, if you used to gamble on the side of the road, make things blow off for a little while. That's how the place go, unfortunately. Because at first, there's normally a lot of accusations man say that them man you can do it, and then the people in front of the side that say, yo, we know nothing to do with it. Right? Guess what? In the street, there is no beyond a reasonable doubt. In the street, right, Nobody not carry go court and you have to present 15 pieces of evidence and bring witness, and you need a mixture of direct and circumstantial evidence, and so work in the streets. Man just want you to say, who do it? Are them man that ride? Come, we go for them. And unfortunately, make we go for them, normally ends in disaster for random citizen who just happen to dip on the spot when it a go down. So right away, the divisional commanders and the various security forces personnel who in charge of planning operations times like this have to step it up. Right. Start move around, start show them face more, start link with them sources, start understand what go on, what them a say now, what them a do. Right. You have to try and keep up with the 87s then, because you best believe that them a do for them planning. Them a do for them strategy, them a collect for them intel, them a gather for them rounds, and them a go up and for them ops. That means the only difference is they are not bound, they're not bound by no constitution and no them now the regulatory body. There is no 87 professional bureau, right? 87 PB. They may turn up on the scene afterwards and say, yo, dog paw alone come from look how up, put up them picking over there, so nothing go so. Right. So them can operate and do for them thing more freely, but security forces have to do right the best them can. I wish the leaders would make it easier, right? Because I'm going to show a video. I'm going to be dropping a video this week, and it's going to be a video about the team of JDF, right, soldiers, and I'm going to show you why I'm telling you, say the JDF in particular is being underutilized by the government, by the Ministry of National Security. Right. Turn the man name in an eyeglass. Right. Take the man and turn him in a puppy show. As a matter of fact, based on what I'm seeing in that video, if I that them I got have JDF I do, better only left them a camp. Better only just left them a camp. That's a joke thing, but that's going to be a separate video. Right. I've got to do an entire video upon that. But for cases like this, just putting more patrols and going through, more communities, that in itself, right, will not necessarily stop the reprisals. What you need is intel. Intel alone can tip you off. And you have to catch the man them while them a carry out them ops and just after. Because you see when that happen, that's what shocked them the most. You see when 87 go up on the ops and them get stopped, right, and them woke up in the police on the way to the ops, and them have a really bad day, that right there so have the worst impact on the 87 psyche. Because what they tell them is, hold on. That means them know who movements. And that shake up 87 more than after them carry the ops and you run them down. Because them kind of expect, say, them always know say there's a chance that they might have to go run from police. Them know that. But when time them on them way to the ops and then them get caught red-handed, that right there so make them start look on each other. They must say, hold on, I wonder if I him attack. I wonder if I him attack. Then all them know, yo, better we just lay low, yeah, man. That's how 87s think. Carrying out operation without intel is a joke, and having intel and not carrying out operation is also a joke. It's a combination. You need the two of them. That's how you do truly effective, right, police work on the ground. But as I say, we're going to see how this one play out. But it find it strange that we start to see a pattern, because remember Richie Poo, that jail all long, safe and sound, as in come around, he may not pick up rounds. Dark Paw, that jail all long, as in come around, he pick up rounds. It look like the cell bars is actually a better option for enough 87s. Right, that's why enough man, when we see them post video, and we see them trash out behind bars and have them NSC back in their hand and them play them music and enjoy themselves, then probably live life, because them know say if they actually get leg and touch the road, man fling them right away. Another example, Dodos, the Klansman Dodos, right, as him touch back the road, right, man them fling him, just like that. Right. You see the Klansman them were just supposed to case. The one them were a part of the Klansman 50, but the Crown say, you know what, make them go on because we never have a strong case against them. Enough of them man there. Right now, I try swim go another country. Then they even want to wait for the boat. I swim them and swim. Because for them days number 2. All 87 we do long time crime. Especially when time them did have bigger links back then. Man, that road I wait for them. Man, that road I wait for enough people. Enough of you, they behind bars, you're safer there. You fight to win appeal. If you come on road, come go Dovecat. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.